Have you ever read the back of a pack of gummy bears or jellies?
They're often full of ingredients you don't know what they are, and ingredients you really don't want to eat.
So we decided to make our own, 100% made from 100% fresh juice, no added sugars, that are functional, so beneficial for your skin. These are skin glowing jellies. We made these using Juice from our Nama J2 juicer using 100% natural ingredients.
We've also used our Nama J2 to make slushies. It's got a sorbet attachment to ice creams. It's so much more than just a juicer.
So first juice we're gonna make is our Berry Burst. So this is packed with antioxidants, packed with vitamin C, which is super important for making collagen, and then all the antioxidants are great at protecting your skin from the inside out.
Take our strawberries, and we're just going to take the top off from here because we want to make these as bright red as we can.
Yeah, the thing about these gummies is we want them to have very distinct colors. So we're adding in our strawberries. We've got 250 grams of strawberries.
Next we have a whole lot of raspberries, just a handful of raspberries, probably about
125 grams.
So you might notice that I'm just loading in the fruit into the juicer. The beautiful thing about this juicer, the Nama J2, is it's hands-free. So you literally load in your fruit or veg in this, if you're doing veg, turn it on, go off and do something, come back and you have your juice made, so it's great.
I'm putting in the half a lemon, in it goes.
One orange, and voila, close it up and we're good to go. Woo, and there we are.
So the wonderful thing about this Nama J2 juicer is that it's super slow masticating. So it keeps all the nutrients intact and you get all that great flavor as well as the nutrients. So these gummies are super functional and they taste amazing as well. Okay, so we're gonna set this one aside and then we're gonna make our green juice.
The color is amazing. Normally when you have to juice multiple things, like it's a headache because you gotta clean the juicer. This is really, really easy and it's really well designed. Like
Takes 1 minute to clean properly.
Okay, next one for our orange gummies, we're going carrot, orange, and ginger. So the carrots are high in beta-carotene, which will
convert to vitamin A, which is great for skin turnover. And the ginger is great for circulation, which is great at helping getting the vitamins and minerals to your skin.
And more vitamin C. So into our carrots, I'm just gonna break them in half just so they all fit in easy.
Can I use a knife or do I have to do it with my hands?
Oh, you can use a knife. I quite like this though. Isn't that snap? A little bit of ginger. We're not going to go with all this, obviously, but just a little bit. And if you're making gummies for your kids, obviously leave the ginger out. My kids typically don't like ginger, but I'm just going to put a little bit in. Look at that pulp. The pulp is so dry, like bone dry. Give it a quick clean.
Here we go. Here is our orange gummy juice. Look at that. Like compared to what gummy bears are normally made of, this is just outstanding, the ingredients. So for our green gummies, we are gonna make a cucumber, apple, and mint. Very simple, very delicious. This is super rehydrating. Cucumbers are about 98% water, and mint is very cooling, so really, really good for plump, delicious skin.
I'm gonna go with the stalks of that mint to just add a lovely flavor to it.
We're using green apples to ensure that it keeps its green color. Red apples sometimes do change the color of the juice.
And lime packed with vitamin C. Boom! And there we are, green juice looking beautiful and it's really held its color. We're gonna pop that in and we've 3 super cool colors for our gummies.
And ladies and gentlemen, there is our 3 colors, woo woo! So now the next step is to turn our juices into gummies.
And here we're using one of the key, we're using is agar-agar, which is a sea vegetable, really high in soluble fiber, which is really important for gut health, which is one of the basis of glowing skin. So 240 ml of our beautiful berry juice. Hoping
it's almost like a delicious syrup.
Yum.
So we're gonna bring that to the boil.
You can sweeten this to taste. We're going to sweeten it with a little bit of maple syrup. Obviously, if you want to make it less sweet, leave it out, but we're going to put a little bit in, and then we're going to put in juice of half a lemon, or half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, and in goes our agar-agar, and we're going to stir this continuously for 2 to 3 minutes.
And the benefit of using agar over gelatin is that gelatin is an animal-based product, whereas agar is based on sea vegetables, so it's literally seaweeds. So beneficial, super packed with fiber. It's very good for digestion and very good at supporting gut health, which is so important for healthy skin.
Okay, what we're looking for here is that the agar has fully dissolved, it's come to the boil, and we want to get it before it starts to set. So we're going to just pour it into another bowl and then use our pipettes to pop them into our trays. Okay, this is cool, so we want to move quick. We've got our little gummy bears, we have our pipettes. I feel like I'm back in science class. And in they go, fill each one. Wow, they're already starting to set.
And if you don't have the molds, an ice cube tray will work perfect for these as well. You obviously won't get the same types of fruits and typical gummies, but it does work perfect as well. One top tip here is to always put your silicone molds on a flat tray. It means that when you're transferring them to the fridge like we're about to do now, you're not going to upset them, they're not going to jiggle out. So baking tray and having a clear space in your fridge is important.
These will set at room temperature in about an hour, but if we put them in the fridge, they'll just be ready sooner.
So these took about 30 minutes to set in the fridge. They take about an hour at room temperature. Very simple, easy.
Like, look at that. Like, it's so pretty.
Look at that, that's a perfect little gummy right there. Like, that's a gummy. That's made of fresh juice. Like, sweets made of nature's fresh fruits and vegetables. Like, amazing. You would fool any kid with these. I can't believe we made our own jellies. Like, this is... We've been telling our kids, you can't eat jellies, no. And yet, like, we made our own jellies out of fresh fruit juice with no sugar.
And these are functional jellies, and a different kind of functional jelly, and that they're very good for your skin.
Okay, moment of truth, the taste test. I'm going for red.
I'm
starting for red for sure.
Here,
okay, here we go. Wow, the texture's beautiful.
Oh, the flavour is very pungent. Like, it tastes like fresh fruit, like legitimate, like not like an artificial flavour.
That's really, really good. Really tasty. I'm going for another red one.
Like, it's got a really pungent strawberry note.
Actually, I want to try the carrot one. I do love ginger, so this is, the orange one is packed with carrot, orange, and ginger, if you remember. I'm blown away with how easy that was to make homemade jellies that are sugar-free, literally made from fruit juice. Like,
let us know down below what one you would make. We're gonna make a watermelon and lime next.
Yeah, straight after this for our kids. But really just to say, Nama J2 Juice are amazing. If you're interested in trying it, you can get 10% off. The code is HappyPear10. We'll put details down below in the show notes. And just to say thanks Mel for watching. We really, really appreciate it. If you like our channel, it's all about helping you to eat more veg. That's Nama's philosophy as well. It's about helping you to eat more plants. So yeah, thanks a million. Thanks for being part of this. I'm wishing you all the best.
Bye.